at a venue to be unveiled later in Nairobi. And I'll have all the principals as my visitors and guests to unveil the party and give our vision.
Okay.
Yeah. Yesterday it was just to say this is a party because people have been wanting to know. And I have kept it secret for a long time. It only leaked 2 days before when I engaged people for branding materials. They are not able to keep quiet. These guys for branding.
Waliambia t-shirt imeandikwa hivi.
Sema hii. So it's gonna be great.
Okay.
Our party is modeled along the lines of listening to the people.
Okay.
That is why our symbol is the listening ear.
Okay.
Yeah. We are saying Kenyans know what is good for this country. Just listen to them. Kenyans know how they want to be governed. Just listen to them. Kenyans have solutions to all the problems that bedevil this nation. Listen to them. In fact, the solution to all the economic challenges we are having is just listening to the people of Kenya. We have abundance of human resource. We have economic experts whom we've given a chance will sort out this country. We have health experts whom, if listened to, will give us solutions to our health system challenges. Our education challenges, we have education experts, if listened to. The issue of enterprise, the issue of ICT, the issue of the creative economy, listen to the GenZ. Allow them, give them a chance to tell you what needs to be done. These GenZs, the millennials, they have the solutions to the problems of this country. So our new administration, which God willing, I'm hoping I'll lead that administration. My strategy to sort out this country is to listen to the people of Kenya and allow them to tell us how they want to be governed and what needs to be done in each and every sector. And I want to say that an administration that I lead will have experienced people backed by fresh young people with new ideas and energy. The GenZs and the millennials. And that is why you find in my party, if you saw me parade them there, it's full of young people. Because I believe in them. And I want also to mentor them by giving them a chance to lead. You know, if you look, I have the deputy chairperson in charge of operations for our party.
Okay.
Is Mable Sarah Owino, 24 years old. Yeah? The deputy vice chair of the DCP party is a 24-year-old girl from Kisumu. Yeah? The national deputy organizing secretary in charge of strategy is Mariam Fredina Mariki, a 26-year-old girl from Taita Taveta. Yeah? Secretary for International Affairs is Alvina Kavura from Murang'a, 31-year-old girl. Yeah? Wanjiku Thega, the national youth leader, is a 33-year-old girl. Yeah? Breda Bajira from the county of Busia, a 34-year-old girl, is the executive director. I have surrounded myself with youthful people for me to benefit from their youthfulness, from the freshness of the ideas, from their perspective, from their wide knowledge by interacting with their fellow young people. In fact, and indeed, I'm the luckiest leader in this country. With this group of these young people, bustling with energy, knowledge, exposure, ambition, you can't go wrong. I'll listen to these people very keenly. I'm already listening to them.
Okay.
That function you saw there, they are the ones who had arranged it. We let them do it. This launch we are doing, that's going to be something that has not been seen in this country. These young girls and boys, they are going to do it. I've told them, deliver it. They have told me, boss, leave it to us. And I believe in them.
Okay.
I trust them. Yeah? And the future of this country will be determined by the willingness of leaders to trust our young people and to give them an opportunity to offer what they know and what they believe in. I am a great believer in working with young people. And let me tell you, my brother, you can never go wrong.
Okay.
To start with, these young people have no tribe. They have no jealousies. They are not petty. They are outgoing. They are energetic. And they want to achieve great heights. And they want to surmount big challenges. I am the luckiest party leader in our country to be surrounded by a team of young, energetic people. And my party and I are going places courtesy of these young people. I want to take this opportunity to ask all the GenZs that DCP is your home. If there's one party where the GenZs will find comfort, acceptance, it's DCP. Because the party leader, Gachagua, Rick G, believes in our young people. And that is why I took the risk as deputy president of rubbing my boots the wrong way by contradicting him when he called our young people criminals. And I told him, hey boss, you can't do that. You can't call our young people criminals. They are not criminals. These are our young, they are our sons and daughters. Please respect them and let them be. Allow them space. This is the future of this country. You are 59 years, you are almost retiring. How do you kill the real strength of your country? The people who have a direct stake in the welfare of this country because they have longer to live. In DCP, I want to take this opportunity in this show, this great show, to ask the GenZs and the millennials, this is your home. Please register, come we work together. I have led by example by getting 5 of you to be in the national executive so that you know I'm serious. I want to engage you. I want you to come and help me craft a strategy to liberate this country and create good governance. And also I know the GenZs like me are also believers in one term. So we need to work together. And the real driver of one term is Gachagua. So since the GenZs also want one term, they need to come and partner with me. And I'll allow them space. I'll let them be.
So in your government, there'll be just one term?
I'm saying one term. Ile mutu.
Yeah. This one. But in your government?
We'll be together. These are the people who have the energy to run government. Mimi, nataka niketi pale. Sema nyinyi vijana, wewe fanya hii, endelea na hiyo.
Are you going to be running for presidency?
Yeah.
2027?
Yes, I am. I'm a presidential candidate.
But